Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress website Elementor slider full width. This is a great way to create eye-catching, professional-looking hero sections that span the entire width of your browser, giving your site a modern and polished appearance. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser, type in your website URL, followed by /wp-admin, and enter your credentials. This will take you to the back end of your WordPress site where you can manage all your content and design elements. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate Pages. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Add Page. This is where you'll create a new page that will house your full width slider. You can give your page a title, something like Home, or whatever suits your needs. After naming your page, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click on it. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is where all the magic happens. Now you'll see the Elementor editor open up with a blank canvas. On the left side panel, you'll find a search bar for widgets. Type in slides and you'll see the slides widget appear in the results. This widget is specifically designed for creating dynamic, visually appealing sliders. Go ahead and drag the slides widget onto the section where you want your slider to appear. You can place it anywhere on the page, but typically it works best at the very top for maximum impact. Here's an important note. Before you can fully create and customize your slides, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The Slides widget is a premium feature that's only available in the Pro version of Elementor. While the free version of Elementor is powerful, the Pro version unlocks advanced widgets like the Slides widget, giving you much more flexibility and control over your design. If you haven't upgraded yet, this would be the time to do so to access these features and create that stunning full-width slider you're aiming for. Once you have Elementor Pro activated, you'll be able to customize your slider with images, text overlays, animations, and all the settings needed to make it span the full width of your screen. And there you have it, a straightforward path to creating a full-width Elementor slider on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.